So, first of all, I want to thank the parents for this year, because obviously, without you bringing them down, then we wouldn't have had a team to begin with, so thank you very much. And second of all, to all the kids, it's been a really good year, I think. To start off, to see how much you've all grown has been really impressive, so thank you very much. So if we start off, if you can all come up, everyone, and you're all going to have a medal. CJ and Fantasia. Okay, so first of all, we're going to start with most improved player, and to be honest, it was probably the hardest decision I had to make, because every single one of you, from where we started to where we ended, was phenomenal. You all deserve this award. For the person I'm going to give it to, I thought, when they first started, very, very timid and really didn't go towards the ball, but towards the end, I think some of the players might have been a bit scared of them. And that person is Mabley. Next up was the easiest one, because it was nothing to do with me. This was all picked by your fellow teammates. This is Player's Player, and it goes to Ollie. And last but not least, this again could have gone to you all, because your commitment every week was fantastic, and it was also a very close one, because it was out of these two for Player's Player, but my Manager's Player is going to go to Charlie.
Very proud to see them representing the club so well at the cup final at Park Avenue. Thanks go to Rich Smith for all his hard work throughout the season, and also Martin, Robbo and Gareth Nicholas for their support. says you invite Rich to present the awards and he's right in front of me. So if anyone knows where Rich is, ask him to come forward with you. Okay, well done Rich. Thank you very much.
Chief thank yous first. I'd like to thank the Hurricanes Committee for all the hard work they do behind the scenes, and especially Kerry and Glenys, who do more than you can do. Gareth and Robbo, and especially Owen Fisk, who's come towards the end of the season to push towards the cup final. And obviously the parents and the kids have been absolutely phenomenal all season. Nothing but positive attitudes all the way through, so thanks to everybody who's made that effort so far. So thank you very much. First trophy goes to top scorer. He's been an incredible player throughout the last few years that we've had him. He scored some phenomenal goals, tap-ins, blunder shots from outside the area, everything really. And I think I added up earlier in the season, I think he scored 15 games, he scored 30 goals. So some effort really, and that is hat-trick sir. Second award goes to the Players Player, which has been voted for by the players, and it's an absolutely fantastic choice in Michael. He gives everything in every training session, whether it's a shuttle run, a sprint, a diving header. He's been our most consistent player all season. He's committed to everything he does, whether it's a header at the back post to win us games on the way to the cup final, or crunching tackles and diving headers. So, Players Player of the season is Frida Parry. Most improved player, which was really difficult because from the start of the season we've already had a good squad, and every week everybody's improved a certain amount. But I spoke with Robbo, and because it's the most improved player, there's only one person to pick really. He started off quite shy, quite timid, but by the end of this season he's been throwing in ridiculous tackles, he's aggressive, he's strong, and he's physical. And he's now started to show just how good he is on the football as well. So, the most improved player this season, Josh Fletcher. Manager's player of the season. There's so many players that we could have given this to, and there's been so many good performances all throughout the year. But this lad's been phenomenal. He's terrific going forward, he's hard working coming back, he's so skillful, and he's got no idea how good he can football either. So, Manager's player of the year this season is Jonah Compton. Everyone, please. No.
We'll now go on to the under-15s. Another successful season for the under-15s. Great commitment. The team and the manager, Chris Roberts. This is Chris's last season with the Hurricanes, and we'd like to take this opportunity to thank him for all the years. On a personal note, I was just telling Warren here, it's great to be here. I started playing for the Hurricanes in 1968 under the guile and the tutorship of Janet's father, George, and it is an honour to be here. Chris, I think I've been in charge of you as a coach and a manager, various spots, various ages, and even worse now as a supporter of football teams. So I'll call upon you now, Chris, to come forward to present these medals. Thank you very much, Chris. Yeah, no problem.
First of all, like everyone said, thank all the parents, all the boys for all over the years. It's been a long time, real long time. I think there's at least 6 of them who are still here, who started with me, so thank you very much. I don't know how you put up with me, and I don't know how to put up with you, to tell you the truth. It's been great fun over the years, but it's got to come to an end. So the last couple of years, the new boys have come in, and they've all joined in, and they've been great. So I don't know what else to say. It's just been great fun for the, I think, 10 years? Maybe 10 years doing it. So Chuckle was the one who got me into it, because I wasn't at the meeting and he just signed me up. So you've got Chuckle to thank for me yakking and jeffing at you for 10 years. So we'll go from there. So we're going to go most improved, alright? Ben's going to hand them out because he's my assistant manager all year. And we're very good team. So this boy, he's come in, never played before. They're all going to know who it is straight away. But he's never played the game before. He's just come in this season because all his mates were there. And from the start, he's listened. He's loved it. Well, I hope he's loved it. And he's given me 110%. If I want to put him in goal, he'll go in goal. And he doesn't moan about anything. Just gets on with it. He knows he's not the best, but his attitude to it all is outstanding. And he never gives up when he's on the field. So I'm going to call Alfie to come in. This one I think is one of the better ones because whoever wins it, they know that the teammates around them realise how good they've been throughout the season, how much effort they put in, the commitment and everything they put on the field. And this lad's been with me since he's this big, and I think he's only that big now. So he's one of the best footballers that I've ever seen with me, and he's 110% like all of them are. But his mates have picked him on this one. So I'm going to call the little man up with his new hair. Okay, manager's player. I could have given it to all of them, just for the effort, and they all turn up for training, the effort, every game and everything. Like I say, they never let me down. Every week they turn up to harbour, wind, rain and snow, and they just get on with it. They have to listen to me bark the orders. Some of them don't listen, so I bark some more, and then they start listening. The winner of manager's player, like I said, I could have picked all of them. But this lad, he's come in, I think he's a couple of seasons he's been with me. Got great skill, pace, just needs to have the confidence in himself to go and do it. Take people on and just enjoy it when he's on there, because he can absolutely do it. He's got brilliant feet, his pace is unbelievable. I work on his shooting because it's a bit crap at the moment. And I won't mention his penalty in the semi-final, which they're still trying to find the football for. That has sailed away. So I'm going to call him up. Sam, well done. Alright, Sam, stay there. Boys, up you come. Come and get these medals ready. Give them up, or CJ or whatever. Hang on the side, don't mind. Down the front. Get on the ball. Okay, before we finish, we'll all stay there. Alright, some of you have your medals, right? That's it, that's all I want. I'm going now. Not quite like that, not quite. We'd like to thank everyone for attending this evening, and of course, if it wasn't for the parents that put that much effort in bringing them every week and taking them everywhere, you know, I think the parents deserve a round of applause. You see that we've had a new fence, and again we'd like to thank everyone that helped us with the fence. Can we have some hush, please? Thank you. Only me speaking. When I finish, you can outgo them. And I'm going to be coaching next year. You've all seen the new fence that we've had. You know, I mean, it's been a tremendous group effort. Again, if it wasn't for Warren, who's really got at the co-op to get the money year after year, we wouldn't be in that position. So thank everyone for helping. But a big thank you. Round of applause for Warren. It seems odd calling you Warren when it
Probably chuckle for all of your life. I'm not going to think so. They're all thinking, oh, what are they talking about? We're very pleased as well that one of the parents, Tom Baker, is going to be taking. Yeah, get up then. Come on, let's have a look. Tom's stepping forward to help out with the coaching of a new age group, which will be the under 9s. So we'll have 7s, 9s, 13s, and 15s. That's great. And if any parents are interested in coaching or being a committee member, please let us know. We can always do with volunteers. Our final thanks, well it says final here, but without the coaches and their commitment and the dedication, there wouldn't be any junior football in Machynlleth. And I think that's massive. So they need a round of applause, because without them there wouldn't be I think there's a new word that I've learned tonight from the 3 coaches. Phenomenal. Phenomenal. Marvellous word. Marvellous word. We say we keep the best till last. We wouldn't have any of this if it wasn't for 2 special ladies. You know they are. Without their hard work and dedication, you have to have a power behind the button. And these 2 ladies are definitely the power behind the button at Machynlleth Hurricanes. So Glenys, Kerry, thank you ever so much. Proceedings, but everyone that's won a trophy, if they could come forward, we'd have a group picture. Thank you ever so much, John
Thank you.